So hello friends, welcome to our channel. So now we are going to solve one GATE previous question. So these are the two functions. The first function name is function 1 and this is function 2. So the question is the output printed when the function 1 is called. So now function 1 of 5. So now what is the output? So function 1 of 5. So that means let us assume. So this is the memory. What is the function call? The function call is function of 5. So function 1 of 5. So that means this function call is invoked. So what is the n value? N equals to 5. So after that, if n equals to 0, return no. So that is false. The next one, printf percentage d n. What is the n value? 5. 5 is printed. The next instruction, so calling another function, so function 2 of n minus 2. So what is the function 2 of n minus 2 mean? This is 3. 5 minus 2, 3. In function 1, we can execute, we are in this instruction. Now we can execute this instruction after this function call. So I can write this instruction printf. So what is the value? N value. I am going to print, and here we are calling function 2 of 3. So that means the memory is allocated for second function 2 of 3. So that means this function is called. So what is the n value? Here there is another n equals to 3. N equals to 0, return no, it is false. So printf percentage d n. So what is the n value? 3. 3 is printed. Next, fun1, that means you are calling function 1 incremented by n, that means it's a pre-increment. So n becomes 4 and you are calling function 1 of 4, another function call. In this also another instruction is remaining for execution, printf n. So percentage d n. So a function call, the same function 1 of, now the n value equals to 4. So after that 4 equals to 0, false, n value print, you are going to print n, 4. So 4 minus 2, 2. Again the function 2 of with 2 is called, that means another function call. In this we can execute printf n. That is instruction we are going to execute after completion of function 2. So function 2 of 2, same instruction. Again function 2 of, what's the n value? 2. That means n equals to 2. 2 equals to 0. False, printf 2. What's the n value? 2. 2 is printed. So after that function 1 plus n. That means again another function call is occur. Function 1 of plus n. What is the n value? 2. Plus means it becomes 3. And this is the balance instruction we are going to execute. So function 3 means another function call. Function 1 of 3. That means n equals to 3. 3 equals to 0. False. Printf percentage d n. That means what's the n value? 3. 3 is printed. Again we call function 2. Function 2 of 3 minus 1. Sorry, 3 minus 2. That means 1. And this is balancing. So this instruction we are going to execute after completion of function 2. Another function. Function 2 of 1. That means now the n becomes 1. You are going to, and 1 equals to 0, false, printf n. That means what's the value of n? 1. Function plus 2. That means now again we are calling function 1 with plus plus, that means function 1 of 2, and the balanced instruction is printf n. This is the function call. Function 1 of 2. This is 2 equals to 0. That means n equals to 2. 2 equals to 0. False. Print n. What's the value of n? 2. So after that, function 2 of 2 minus 2. 0. And this is the instruction balance. Printf n. Okay. Now function 2 is called function 2 of 0. So now, what is the n value? N equals to 0. 0 equals to 0. It is true. So go to return. So that means this instruction is executed. These instructions is executed. So print n. What is the n value? 2. Here these are completed. All these instructions are completed. What is the n value? 1. 1 is printed. Now completion. Deallocation of memory. Now these two are completed. Print n. What is the value? 3. Same like that. These two are completed. Print n. 2. Like that. Printf n. What is the n value? 4. This is also completed. Now, so function 2, these two executed. Printf n. What is the n value? 3. Next, these instructions are executed. What is the n value? 5. So this is the output. So briefly we can see what happened in the function calls. So function 1 of 5. That means in the first iteration n becomes 5, and you are calling function 2 using n minus 2. That means it becomes 3. Function 2 of 3. And 3 plus plus means 4. N minus 2 means 2. Function call. So 2 plus plus means 3. 3 minus 2 means 1. So 1 plus plus means 2. 2 minus 2 means 0. So that means this is the break point. So in every function there are two printfs. One is first, another one is function call. After there is another print function. That means the execution is starting from here. It prints first 5, next 3, next 4, next 2, next 3, next 1, 2. Again, these printf statements are executed. So in this printf statement, what is the value? 2, 1, reverse, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5. So this is the output.